Hello guys, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can use Midjourney only for yourself. You can add or use Midjourney in your server, and also that's just privately, so no one will be able to see the images that the AI creates for you, the prompts, right? So it's a great way to use Midjourney if you don't want the others user to see the images, the prompts. So let's jump right into the video now. So what you have to do is to go to Midjourney, right over here, midjourney.com, write midjourney.com, and then click here on join. And here we have join the beta. So click on that. And from here, just make sure you logged in your Discord account. So just go to discord.com. You can create an account on Discord entirely for free. You don't have to pay any money. So don't worry, just create your account and then go back to Midjourney, click on join beta, and then accept invitation. So we have Midjourney here in our server, where this is where the servers are listed on Discord. This is where you'll see all the servers that you are part of, that you joined. Okay, so now the next step is to go here, click on hide. So if you don't see the other side here, just click on show member list, and from here you click on Midjourney bot and you click add to server, and from here you select your server. That's my server I created. Continue. But before doing that, we have to create our server. So if you want to create your server, click on here, click on this icon, add a server, and then here select create my own, and here just skip this question. Now you can type a name, name your server, and then create continue. Click on continue. Now you have another server. So as you can see here, I have, and now it's very easy. Just go here, click on add to server, select the server, and continue, authorize. Okay, I am human, and that's it. Now as you can see, I added the server Midjourney to both of the servers I just created. And now if you can use now peacefully, you can play with Midjourney and no one can see the prompts, the images. So now we can slash settings, and here let's change some of the settings. Make sure you are in Midjourney version 4, base quality usually I use, style med, and here I use remix mode. And yeah, that's, from here now you can slash imagine, and you can simply write something here, car, and what you want. Okay, and as you can see, it works. And now here, let's say if you want maybe to use some reference, click on this plus and then this icon, and then select upload a file. And from here you can select your file. Okay, you can select your reference here. I'll be using this one, enter. Now it's pretty easy, just slash and imagine. Okay, and now right click on this photo, the reference you want to use. This reference is from Pixabay. Now here copy image address, and then just paste this image right here. Now you can write something. Old man, Pixar, happy, and now enter, and let's see. This is probably gonna take some time, depends. Usually it takes more time when you use references. At least that's what I notice when I'm using some references. It takes a bit more time. So don't worry, just wait more. And here we have our results. Let's click. Hey, this looks actually very good. And we have the same traits. I think the nose, same size, the eyes, like the facial proportions are the same. We have the same facial features. Now let's say we can select like the first one, 2. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So let's select the third. Okay, now upscaling image 1 with this. Okay, and it looks amazing. Okay, now you can click on the image, right click, save image as type, and select PNG. And that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. Will help me a lot. And I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.